The long-awaited FRC water game Reefscape was released last week. This year's game introduced a new twist with 2 game pieces, a rubber playground ball called Algae and a PVC pipe called Coral. The algae can be shot into either the processor or the net. To earn the Coopertition bonus, at least 2 algae must be scored into each processor, 1 for each team. As for the Coral, it's shot onto the reef, which features branches that rise up to 4 levels, adding another layer of strategy to the game.
At first, I was kind of scared because I'm always scared when a game first comes out, but it reminded me a lot of 2023 Charged Up, and I think that allowed us to get a really good grasp on the robot design as well as a possible game strategy. I think Reefscape is a really cool game so far. I really like the theme it has with the coral and the algae, and I like how the reef looks like an actual coral reef. You can stop that.
I think it's a good game. I think it's exciting. I like the reef element, a part of the Reefscape, and I like the PVC tubes.
It's definitely different than the challenge that we had last year, but I'm really excited to see what we come up with.
The Robodox kicked off the day by watching the live stream of the event, then split into 2 groups to go through the game manual. We focused on understanding the scoring system, field areas, game pieces, and any restrictions on those pieces. We also made sure to note the ranking points and other important details. Once we had a solid grasp of the rules, we came together into smaller groups to brainstorm strategies, discussing how to play the best match possible and what techniques can help us come out on top. After lunch, we took the rules test individually to make sure we all understood the game. A fun addition to our brainstorming was something we called robot theatricals, in which we acted as robots in action by interacting with game pieces. We finished the day by refining our strategies, creating a master list of what we wanted to focus on, breaking down tasks, and figuring out what was realistic for our robot to handle. After kickoff this past week, our technical sub-team leads began finalizing our ideas for the new robot by sketching out its subsystems and making a list of ideas to prototype. CAD jumped right into working geometry for our designs, while our mechanical sub-team got busy assembling swerve modules for a test drive base and building field elements. Lastly, our electrical and pneumatics team worked with programming on the test vision boards. It was a productive and fun week for the Robodox as we ensured that we're all set for the season ahead.